Inspector Ramgundam is now reporting to the board and will request for inspection of the parade. The Honorable Chief Guest is now proceeding to inspect the parade in the colorful inspection jeep. Our Chief Guest is accompanied by Division Security Commissioner, Secunderabad Division, for the inspection of the parade. The dignitaries are being escorted by the parade commander. Sri Dr. R. Gopal Krishnan, a 1998 batch Indian Railway Traffic Service officer, has assumed charge on the afternoon of 24th July 2025 as commanders to the Honorable Chief Guest. The contingents in the parade representing our Railway Protection Force and RPF band. The first platoon is commanded by Sri S. Govind Naidu, Sub-Inspector RPF Secunderabad Post. Second platoon is commanded by Sri M. Sai, Sub-Inspector. Parade Second in Command Sri V. Rangarao, Sub-Inspector Hyderabad Post. Third platoon led by RPF Women Jawans is commanded by Srimati Nasima Begum, Women Sub-Inspector. Scouts and Guides is commanded by Sri Sayyid Sikandar, Chief Booking Supervisor, Hafiz Pate. Over his career, Dr. Gopal Krishnan has held several key roles. He has managed led for 5 years. Under his stewardship, the unit developed the artificial intelligence and data strategy.
प्लाटूनों की कॉलम में मंच से गुजरेगी। नंबर 1 प्लाटून आगे, तीनों तीन में दाहिने चलेगी। दाहिने मुड़।
As the tricolor flutters high in the sky, the heartbeat of the nation resonates on this ground. With pride in their hearts and discipline in their stride, the contingents are now ready for the grand march past.
Boys say,
the march past has begun. With hearts brimming with national pride and eyes shining with fervor, the platoons march forward in perfect harmony. Leading this grand procession to the saluting base is Parade Commander Sri K. Rajendra Prasad, accompanied by Second in Command Sri V. Rangarao. Their leadership embodies the discipline, honor, and dedication of our forces as the colors of the nation rise high in celebrations. The platoon commander is Sri K. Rajendra Prasad, accompanied by Second in Command Sri V. Rangarao, Sub-Inspector. Leading the first platoon is Sri S. Govind Naidu, Sub-Inspector RPF Secunderabad Post. With resolute steps, platoon showcases the strength and vigilance of the force. The second platoon is commanded by Sri M. Sai, Sub-Inspector RPF Bhadrachalam Post. Their march reflects the dedication and commitment of RPF. The third platoon, comprising a valiant women Jawans of the RPF, is commanded by Srimati Nasima Begum, Women Sub-Inspector DRCOI. Their presence is shining example of empowerment, courage and service. The fourth platoon, Scouts and Guides, exemplifying discipline, service and teamwork, led by Sayyid Sikandar, Chief Booking Supervisor, Hafiz Pate. With impeccable discipline and unwavering pride, the contingents have marched past the saluting base, paying their heartfelt respect to the nation and its ideals. The rhythmic steps, the synchronized movements, and the resolute salutes have once again reminded us of the strength and unity of our forces. The air today is charged with nation fervor as every heartbeat echoes the pride of our motherland. national power is not just seen in the march past, it is felt in the eyes of our soldiers, in the rhythm of their steps, and in the unwavering salute to the sky color. As the contingents march forward, the discipline and dedication reflect the spirit of sacrifice and service that defines true patriotism.
परेड आगे बढ़ेगी वो एक मुड़ परेड खुली लाइन चल परेड मध्य सच परेड समीक्षा क्रम में मध्य से तेज खुल
The parade is advancing in review order and will present the salami stage to the Honorable Chief Guest.
परेड सलामी परेड बंगाल परेड वैश्रम
On this historic and momentous occasion of our